Good job.
Alright. Okay, I'm gonna show you something in answer to this video. Galaxy Note 2 problem. LCD won't turn on after glass replacement. I gotta flip it around to get to the back camera for you, where you can't see it with the back camera. But if you look right here, this is your LCD. When you separate the glass, usually what happens, let me get a glass. I got a spare glass here. I'm doing this with my phone, y'all. The first time I did it with the phone, so you gotta forgive me. But here's the glass. The glass sits on top of the LCD like this. Usually, I hope y'all can see it. Oh, God. Let's see, I'm up too high. Okay. The glass sits on top of the LCD like this. Right under the LCD is a little, well, let me get back on it. See right here where my finger is? There's a little ribbon that runs right along there. That little ribbon that runs right along here. When the glass is sitting on there, it's right there. And when you stick anything down in between the glass and the top of this, it cuts that ribbon and the LCD won't light up again. The only thing you can do then is to buy a new LCD. Well, I hope that helped. The video may not be clear. I'm going to upload it to YouTube, and TV Innovator has one that says Galaxy Note 2 LCD won't turn on after glass replacement. If y'all can see that one, I'm going to upload this one to YouTube, and hopefully it'll help somebody. Sorry for this yellow picture. I don't know, I'm in the room with the light on, but it's yellow. But once again, right here at the top, Janice, put your finger in there and show them the top right there. Right there where my finger is, put the glass on top of it so they can see. Okay, now you see how that glass fits over the top of that? When you pry down in here, God.
You just want me to hold the camera when you do it. Turn around.
Okay, yeah, you hold the camera. Okay, hold the camera. Okay, now. Okay, here's the LCD. Hold it down a little bit.